Numerical 3 charges plus 2 microcoulomb, plus 3 microcoulomb and plus 4 microcoulomb are placed at the corner of the equilateral triangle ABC, each of the side 0.2 meter. Find the force on plus 4 microcoulomb due to the other two charges. In this question we have given an equilateral triangle whose side is 0.2 meter. This is the equilateral triangles ABC, and we have given that three charges are placed on the corner of the equilateral triangles. So here at point A plus 2 microcoulomb charge is placed, at point B plus 3 microcoulomb charge is placed, and at point C plus 4 microcoulomb charge is placed. In this question we have to calculate force exerted on this plus 4 microcoulomb charge due to these two charges, that is plus 2 and plus 3 microcoulomb charge. Let Fa be the force exerted by this charge plus 2 microcoulomb on plus 4 microcoulomb charge, and it acts along direction CD. So force acting on charge plus 4 microcoulomb due to plus 2 microcoulomb, Fa is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 over R square. So this is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. Here Q1 is 2 microcoulomb. 2 microcoulombs means 2 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 6 coulomb, multiply Q2 here plus 4 microcoulomb, that is 4 multiplied 10 raised to power minus 6 coulomb, over distance is 0.2 का square. This is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. The value of 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught equal to 9 into 10 raised to power 9. So put here 9 into 10 raised to power 9, multiply 2 multiply 10 is minus 6, multiply 4 multiply 10 raised to power minus 6 over 0.2 का square. When we solve this we get 1.8 Newton force along CD direction. So this is the force exerted by this plus 2 microcoulomb charge on a plus 4 microcoulomb charge. Now in the next step we have to calculate the force exerted by this plus 3 microcoulomb charge on plus 4 microcoulomb charge, and it along direction BD. Suppose this force is Fv. So force acting on plus 4 microcoulomb due to plus 3 microcoulomb, that is Fv equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 over R square. So 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught, that is 9 into 10 raised to power 9, and the value of Q1 is plus 3 microcoulomb. So this is 3 multiply micro means 10 raised to power minus 6 coulomb, multiply Q2, here Q2 is 4 microcoulomb, so 4 multiply 10 raised to power minus 6, divide by distance is same here 0.2, so 0.2 का square. So by solving this we get 2.7 Newton force along CE direction. The force exerted by this plus 2 charge on this plus 4 microcoulomb charge is Fa, and force exerted by the plus 3 microcoulomb charge on plus 4 microcoulomb charge is Fv. The resultant of force Fa and Fv is given by F and this is the parallelograms. So here we can apply parallelogram law of vector additions to calculate resultant of forces FA and FV. So F is equal to square root of FA का स्क्वायर प्लस FB का स्क्वायर प्लस 2FA FB cos of theta. So here angle is 60 degree, theta is 60. Now put the value of FA. Here we calculate FA. This is equal to 1.8 Newton. So here 1.8 का स्क्वायर प्लस FV 2.7 का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 FA 1.8 FB 2.7 and cos 60 degree, and this is equal to, this is square root, this is also equal to square root of 1.8 का स्क्वायर प्लस 2.7 का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 multiply 1.8 multiply 2.7, and we know that the value of cos 60 is 1/2. So by solving this we get square root of 15.39, and this is equal to 3.93 Newton. So the resultant force exerted on charge plus 4 microcoulomb due to charges plus 2 microcoulomb and plus 3 microcoulomb is 3.93 Newton.